morning vlog. So this morning I'm not feeling so great. I'm a little stuffy. I've got a little bit of a cold, so I didn't actually get to work out this morning. So I'm gonna try to work out later this afternoon, but right now I am going to the club again to work. So yeah, I just had some breakfast and now I'm going to head to the club.
Hi. We're just here at the yacht club.
This is Allie. I'm Robin.
This is Robin. In case you didn't know, Morgan works here.
In case you haven't heard like a million times.
Hello vlog. So it is a couple hours later. I've been at the club working. It's now 1:18. The club looks a lot better than it did. I should have shown you what it looked like at first, but basically there are boat parts everywhere and now we're kind of assembling everything and relabeling things, which is really good because then this year, hopefully, not everything will get all messed up and everywhere. But yeah, we've masted a lot of 420s, which is a class of boat, and then we have labeled a lot of the sail bags and put on sail ties and all this good stuff. So we've been doing a lot of work today. I'm going home to grab lunch and then I'm gonna bring it back to the club. Then we're gonna keep on working, so it does not end. And then I want to get an exercise at some point today, so I will probably do that sometime after lunch, but that's the plan. I'm gonna go home and put the dogs out and grab some food. Thanks for watching my vlog, Rob. Hello vlog. I know it seems like I was just in the car, but it's actually been a while. It's kind of difficult to vlog when I'm working because, especially because today we were masting all the 420s and just kind of like hard stuff around the club. So it's kind of hard to vlog while I'm doing that, but it's actually been a while. So like I said, we masted all the 420s, which was really awesome because we took them off of their trailers and now they're out and ready. And all the opties are out, which is like another class of smaller boat. So everything is basically ready except for some things still need to be organized. Whoa, it's really bumpy. But after I finished working, I actually just went running and then I did the stairs with Ellie, and I'm probably gonna introduce everyone for the vlog once everyone gets here, but like a lot of the instructors still aren't here, like my friends still aren't here, so yeah, I'm gonna like introduce everybody. But anyway, so me and Ellie went and did the stairs a couple times, which anyone who hasn't been here before probably doesn't know. There's these 303 stairs that go up to the top of Mount Baldy, which is like basically a huge sand dune. Oh my gosh, did I get sunburned today? I don't know. Anyway, so we did the stairs a couple times and that is a workout, let me just tell you. I am now headed home. I'm going to make myself some dinner we are bumpy. After I have a shower. It's gonna be a good night, and then I actually need to study a little bit because me, Ellie, Abby, Robin, and Grace are taking the level 2 instructor certification course for sailing. So that we have to drive all the way to Mac Bay tomorrow morning. It's a 2-day class. It's Wednesday and Thursday, so tomorrow and the next day. So we are taking that class and I'm going to study the books a little bit tonight so that I kind of have an idea of what's going on before we get there. So yeah, it's a busy week, but I have a lot to do tonight.
So cute. We love you. You're so pretty. Oh.
Hello vlog. It is now a couple hours later. Me and Charlie are hanging out. And I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to get up early to go to my class tomorrow. So, hope you have a lovely day. Bye.